Y'all gonna have to do. Hey, right now we've got something brand new from Temp-tations, and we're awfully excited that we can bring in the Snack Attack. These are snack containers, but they're made of glass. They come with airtight, watertight lids and all your favorite Temp-tations colors and patterns. Lisa Lasorte, who works right alongside Tara, is here.
Hi,
nice to have you back.
Nice to see you, and so excited.
Love to see you. This is so great because these are going to be versatile pieces that you'll use in a lot of different ways, but let's be very clear about the fact. Do we have a metal? Oh, here's a metal fork. You have that glass container, my dear.
Sure thing.
That boy's a glass.
I love that. Huge customer request, and we've never done it in this size before. It's in our classic pattern. So that means we mix our old world and our floral lace. This size is so great because it's 12 ounces. That's a cup and a half. So there's that beautiful old world and floral lace design, but here's what makes it so special. That airtight, watertight lid in the jewel tone right there. Listen to this, David. Did you hear that? That's pushing all the air out and keeping all the freshness in. What you're going to do is you're going to push that down. Look at the cute little finial that we do right there for our 5-dot flower. Then when you want to release it, I'm just going to give it a little tug right there, and it comes off. But just to look closely, there's the magic right there, the airtight, watertight that we just can't do on stoneware.
Exactly. So all this comes together for you in your favorite color grouping. You will get 4 of whatever you order. We like to call this one, I believe, classic because it combines floral lace and the old world, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, we're going to begin here with the blue, and you're going to order these by lid color, but the pattern will also be repeated.
Yes.
On the container. Now, obviously, if these were full of some kind of food, you would see that pattern a little better than when they're empty.
There's the blue. Isn't that so pretty?
Actually, you know what? We'll show them against the white background. That makes perfect sense.
Great.
Our producer saw that. He's done this once or twice.
Oh, once or twice.
All right, here's the blue. Here's the green. 900 green. I've got it for you in, are we calling this one cranberry?
Yeah, that's a cranberry.
This is the red.
Yep.
Then this is eggplant. And finally, this is the black.
Yeah. And the confetti.
And you have confetti.
Yep, the confetti was what I showed out of the gate. Exactly.
We have 900 left in the confetti.
Oh.
Now, this glass can go into the oven up to what temperature?
500 degrees.
500 degrees.
Just like our stoneware.
Can it go into the broiler?
It can.
Wow.
Absolutely.
So definitely utilize this glass if you are thinking about maybe using that glass in your air fryer.
Sure.
You could do that as well.
Absolutely.
Anywhere where you've got an oven-safe material will work in some of these appliances that would take some kind of vessel.
I love it, and it's going to match back to all the stoneware that you've been collecting. So when we look at all the different ideas that we have, because it's oven safe to 500 degrees, because like you said, air fryer, microwave, I can now do a complete meal with portion control. Like I think when we get to January, we're like, all right, we got to like do it right this time, right?
Right.
12 ounces will allow you to bake right in here, a bread. How about individual meatloafs right there? I don't have to pull out my dinnerware. If I just want this to be my entire dinner, we did our green beans, and I'm going to run to the refrigerator and show you amazing salad.
Perfect. Now, individual portions are really great because now you've got a way to do individual meatloaves, mac and cheese, little individual bread loaves.
Yes.
Or if you're packing lunches,
yes,
you can take this with you to the office, and you can microwave in these as long as you pop the lid, right?
That's exactly right. You're not going to put the lid in the microwave, so you're just going to put that right into the microwave, whatever you want to heat up.
So this won't go in, even upside down, you don't want to put this in the microwave.
Correct.
Okay.
That's correct. We don't want to do anything to interrupt that silicone seal right there. But here's what we love about it. Whether you want to do a dinner in it, whether you're doing appetizers, and now that perfect size of 12 ounces, look how great this looks. Matches back to the 6-piece baker set that we sold.
What might also be nice, when I was on vacation back after Christmas, I went to a taco type restaurant.
Okay.
And one of the appetizers was queso fundido.
Oh, yum.
And it's this lovely baked cheese deliciousness.
Yum.
With all this salsa and all this goodness.
Yum.
And then you take, and so I think it had ground beef in it. And then you smear it on a flour tortilla and you roll it up and eat it.
That sounds awful.
Oh,
my
so
gosh,
good.
come on.
So I was thinking you could bake the queso fundido in there and
Right
then serve
in
it
there.
with your tortillas.
Yeah, this is just like our stoneware where you can literally, you can prep in here, you can bake in here, you can serve, and then you can store. So think about all these things like snacks. I think this is the perfect portion size. This was a customer request. It's just for you. Isn't this great? Little candies, little, I love this mix right here, don't you?
Yum. My mother makes a mix like that at Christmas every year.
Does she?
And so all this comes together for you if you're looking to bake and store some of your ingredients, keeping them fresher longer. Your light brown sugar doesn't turn into a brick.
That's exactly
when you put it in
right.
an airtight, watertight container.
Yeah, exactly right. And again, our glass has just been so popular because it matches back to what you've been collecting for 18 years, but it's so functional and versatile.
Let's go through colors again if we can, and remind you you're getting 4 of whatever color that you order. And we're going to begin here with your confetti.
Yep.
And the confetti, I have 700 left in the confetti.
Wow.
Then we've got it for you in blue. From blue, we move over to green. Here is your cranberry. Don't forget the red. This one is eggplant. And finally, I have it for you here in the black. Dishwasher safe, lids and containers?
That's correct. I will put the lid on the top rack, if you will.
Yeah.
But remember, what's so special about this that we just can't do on stoneware is that silicone seal.
It's great.
So we love the fact that it's not only beautiful, it's decorative with those jewel tone lids, but when I place this on, you can literally hear the air being pushed out and the freshness being kept. All you're going to do once you push it down, David, is literally just push that little finial right there, and that keeps it nice and fresh.
And what do we know to be true about air? Air is, while air is real important to us humans, it's the enemy of food.
Enemy of food, for
and
sure.
it can make that food go badly pretty quickly.
Yeah,
so in the
exactly.
absence of air, food tends to stay fresher longer, and that's always a good thing. These are brand spanking new today. They're $28.80. This is K49886. Miss Lisa, thank you so much, as always. Good to see you.
I'm not
You're coming
leaving.
back with one more item.
One more item.
In the meantime, Mary is standing by with our buddy Rick Roman, and they've got a screaming good deal.
Oh, so true. David, thank you so much. Coming up, we have an all-clad